in Lansing. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado, toxic material release, nuclear plant incident, widespread phone or power outages, or other state or local emergency that affects safety, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This test is presented in conjunction with Michigan's Severe Weather Awareness Week, March 24th through the 30th. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Yeah, I got the tornado thingy today, 1 o'clock in Michigan. Even though it's 1:17, interesting. Well, bye for now.